How to streak on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, open a Snapchat app on your device. Now make sure that you log into your account with the credentials. And then you need to reach on this camera page where you can easily choose any media from your memories section or take a snap. Then you can easily use the T icon at top right corner of your screen. And now you can easily type in streak with the help of that icon. And once you have done that, you can easily drop it anywhere and then you can tap on the send to button or add to your story. So let's choose send to button and you can choose any friends with whom you wanna start a streak. And after that, tap on the send button at bottom right corner of your screen and tap on save changes and send to that users. So now it's up to your friends if you want to, or if they want to start a streak, they will reply with their own picture or video to keep the streak going. You both need to send snaps back and forth every day. After 3 days of consecutive snaps, you will get a fire emoji next to your name, and the number beside it shows how many days you have been streaking. And with that, you will successfully start a streak on Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.